Well, hello family, welcome back to KatochXcrypto. In today's video, I will revisit Berachain.com, which is Berachain official website, and I will tell you how you can participate in the airdrop, which is Testnet 2, the part 2 of its testnet. Of course, in my last video about Berachain, I have covered in detail about Berachain endgame, covering testnet, how you can participate, but this time it is Testnet 2 and people are quite confused how they can participate in this testnet and how they can be eligible for the future airdrop. So in today's video, I will take you through the Berachain V2, which is Testnet 2, how you can participate and be eligible for the future airdrop. Remember, all the steps are kind of same with a slight different in the way you interact with the faucet and of course the other applications. So without further delay, let's begin. Let's talk about Berachain airdrop. Now before I begin, like I always say, do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't done already, and remember we have a dedicated Telegram community. We share a lot of crypto pumps, crypto pre-sales, new token launches and information like this one. So click on the link below and join our Telegram group right away, and there you will also find this sheet which is purely dedicated on alpha airdrops. You can check this sheet and of course participate and look at the status, how you can win these airdrop by putting little to no effort. So let's begin. Let's talk about Bera. So what is difference between the testnet 1 and testnet 2? There is a slight difference, and that is how you interact with the testnet. First of all, we have to check the faucet. So in the testnet 1, when I created this video in detail, I showed you each and every step. All the steps are same, guys. All the steps are same. There is no difference. But there is a condition this time. In Berachain V2, which is Testnet 2, the faucet wants you to hold at least 0.001 ETH on Ethereum mainnet in your wallet to be able to be used the faucet. So if you're using the Testnet 2, remember to hold at least 0.001 Ethereum to interact with the testnet. Otherwise, you won't get the Bera token, the testnet token in this V2 part. Now, how much 0.001 ETH cost? This is the cost of 0.001 ETH right now, which is equivalent to your value of close to $4. You can see right over here, $3.54. Again, you can invest that much, hold this much token so that you can participate in the airdrop of V2. Now again, this is just step number 1. Now after you get the airdrop, the step number 2 is quite different, because here you can see the link. The testnet 1 link start with rto.station.berachain.com. If I open it, it will give you this particular website. But if we talk about the testnet V2, there's a slight different, and that is not RTO, that is start with BRTO, BARTIO. This much. Press enter. So now you can see a new website by typing this link, and a slight change will take you through the testnet 2 part, which is an upgrade version of V1. Just a slight tweak in the links and you are good to go. Of course, I will share all the links in the description. I will take you through some of the processes. Remember, all the steps are similar to testnet 1, just the difference there in terms of faucet and the links, and other steps are all kind of same. Let me go to this part, which is bex.berachain.com. Earlier it was rto.bex, now it's brto.bex. The link is here, and I will also share it in the description of this video. So right now you need to do the same task like I showed you. Convert Bera to honey, convert Bera to this much, which is STG USDC. Now swap it and add liquidity pool, and again you will start getting BGT token. So remember, I have told everything about this token in the past. So again, you need to follow the video number 1, which is testnet video number 1, which is right over here. The steps are very simple, very similar. I have told you already, so please watch this video. But to start with, remember, faucet is different and links are different. All the links are shared in the description of this video. Take the reference of video 1. I will share this link in the description. You can watch this video and get started with testnet 2 part. Again, this is very simple. Moreover, I want you to interact with few of the apps like this one, IV.fi, which is partio.ivx.fi, and this is one of the famous app on their chain. Remember, the whole idea is to interact with the testnet. Again, once you interact with the testnet, you will collect some transactions, and those transactions, the number of transactions, will tell Berachain that you have interacted with the testnet. You have helped the network with the testing, and because of that, you may be eligible for the future Bera airdrop. So that's the whole idea of it. Test the network as much as you can, record the transaction as much as you can, and again you will be eligible for the future airdrop of Berachain. So this is V2, guys. Again, this is very simple. You need to place a trade in the V2 version, and that's how you can do it. Again, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. If you have any question, comment below or watch my previous video which is of Testnet 1 and you are good to go. That's how easy you can interact with the Testnet V2. Not much difference, nothing to worry about. And again, once you do it, record a transaction and check out how many transactions you're doing, and again you will be eligible for this airdrop. So that's how easy you can participate in the Berachain. Remember to hold at least 0.001 Ethereum in your wallet. Also go down here and check all the links that I've shared in the description. Interact with each and every link as much as you can so that you will be eligible for this airdrop. And again, I will update the links with time, so keep on checking it, and do remember to join my Telegram so that you can get the latest updates about the Berachain airdrop. It's very easy, very simple. Just do it, record transaction, and you are good to go. All you need to do is interact with the testnet and you are done for the day. You are done for the Berachain airdrop. You will be eligible. That I can say that. Again, thanks for watching, and comment below if you have any questions. Let's meet tomorrow with a new video and a new content. Till then, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.